Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, Batwanga. Happy New Year, my queens and kings. Compliments. It's officially 2025. Whatever you wanted to start at 2025, it's time now. It's time. It's time now, guys. Happy New Year. It's officially 2025 and we are starting a new vlog. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to do, and yeah, I was just a bit confused, but we are here. We are starting a new vlog. Batwanga ndoswa dwala yana long gocha, but it is what it is. There's nothing that I can do. I can't control the weather. I can't control the state. Hayani, we are peace. We are starting a new vlog, and right now I need to do breakfast because I'm hungry. After doing breakfast, I need to clean my room because it's not looking cute. It's not looking cute at all. And I have to say that procrastination, 2025, it's me and you. Because ngizokubamba gezi washini. This time you're not winning, guys. Pray for me because procrastination this year, we are not doing that. So yeah, guys, last week I didn't upload a vlog because I was resting. I gave myself like a week to rest, even though I was taking a snippets of videos, but then I didn't upload any video. So yeah, let's do this. So Batwanga, I'm just going to show you the state of my room. And liskanjaja lona boja Judy wako internet, okay? Liskanjaja. I'm just going to show you and clean and be jolly. So yeah. So one thing I like about my bed is that plus it's hot at I just sleep, you see the other side. I just sleep, and then the clothes here, some of the clothes here are clean. I know, guys, please don't judge me. I know, so I just have to fix my bed and just pack, just pack. It's not too much. I just have to pack. But otherwise, I bed, guys. I bed. But yeah.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending.
Peaceful sleep. This right here, she is the girl she thinks she is. She rocks. When it comes to mosquito, mosquito. Trust me. Go get yourself some peaceful sleep. Guys, you see, it was not a lot, but I'm already sweating. I am happy, sir. Yo.
Can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence.
Ni masiari.
Masiara abude.
Abudiri family meeting abendu guy.
Ni 260.
Ni 260 udabega mbili kurane na bega mbili tukwana.
Na the drink is 4.
4 na machipsi are 4.
Na the nuggets are 10.
Okay, ndani yangu busajejo. My queens and kings, I'm out here walking by myself. I'm going to Aghan by the Blas just to check if those people are working there, guys. The way Gitawang Dinoaka thing, I have to pass through here, but guys, I'm not breathing heavy because I'm running or what. It's because guys, and it has been raining. But then I can hear them. It's a walking distance from home. So now, yeah, let's go.
I won't come till the end. I will always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. I won't come till the end. I will always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
Guys, and I spent the red bakutaura. Yeah, bakutaura. Ukushumu abadi ya vitu. Yeah. Mara kushume. Wari? Uru dope zwana musi. Ashume.